There are questions that never stop knocking. Where does time really end? What is space? When does it cease to be empty? And why is it that every time we believe we have understood everything, the universe answers us with an even greater enigma? Welcome to Wonder's Workshop. Here we don't chase sensationalism. We pursue wonder, but with method. Because the most fascinating stories are not invented ones. They are the ones reality still manages to hide. On this channel we investigate the great mysteries with curiosity and rigor. Space and time, ancient civilizations and archaeology, mind and consciousness, and technologies that reshape what is possible. Each episode blends powerful storytelling, reliable sources, and memorable images to turn complex questions into clear, compelling journeys. We always start from a simple rule: facts first. We verify information, compare hypotheses, and also show the limits of current knowledge. Not because it is convenient, but because that is exactly where true curiosity is born. Wonder begins where certainty ends. What kind of content will you find on Wonder's Workshop? You'll find episodes that start with a question and build an answer step by step. An anomaly in an artifact. A detail on a map. An experiment that changes the rules. A cosmic phenomenon that shouldn't exist, and yet does. And together we reconstruct the full picture. What do we really know? What do we still not know? Which explanations are the most solid? And which hypotheses remain open, waiting for new evidence? Sometimes the journey is into deep space. Among stars that are born and stars that die, among extreme planets and possible worlds, among gravitational waves, black holes, and distant galaxies. It is a vast universe, but not a silent one. Every discovery tells us something about how reality works, and also about who we are as observers of it. Other times the journey is here on Earth. Among ancient civilizations, symbols, ruins, lost cities, techniques and knowledge that still astonishes today. Not to force a spectacular conclusion, but to ask the right question: what have we underestimated? What has been lost over the centuries? And what do the data really tell us, when we look at them without prejudice? And then there is the most difficult and most fascinating journey of all, the one within ourselves. Consciousness, memory, perception, the limits of the mind, and the great questions of identity and meaning. Because exploring the universe without exploring the mind is like looking at the sky with a telescope without opening the lens. Understanding what we are, and how we construct reality in our minds, is part of the same adventure. Wonder's Workshop is a laboratory of ideas, clues, and connections. A place where science and storytelling go hand in hand. Where imagination does not replace reality, but accompanies it in an informed way. Where curiosity is a compass and rigor is how we avoid getting lost. If you enjoy educational content that doesn't treat you like a distracted spectator, if you love well-crafted stories built on solid foundations, if mysteries fascinate you but you also want to understand what is demonstrable and what is not, then you are in the right place. Here we don't promise easy answers. We promise a clear, engaging, and honest journey. A journey that leaves you with something more useful than a simple conclusion, a new perspective, better questions, and the desire to keep searching. If you want to be part of this exploration, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Because the next investigation begins now.